Tyberos the Red Wake, Reaper of the Void, Master of the Carcharodon Astra. Even seated, he seemed to dwarf those around him, utterly immovable, a vast, silent judge whose pronouncements were always final. The armor he wore was a tactical dreadnought pattern, but heavily modified to suit his stature. Dozens of brass bonding studs gleamed atop slab plates of grey ceramite, layered over blocks of plasteel reinforced with rods of adamantium. A skull, the bone yellowing and ancient, dangled from a chain at the giant's waist, its eye sockets as dead and soulless as the black lenses of the Red Wake's boar-snouted helm. More terrible yet were the two great gauntlets he wore, named Hunger and Slake, the ancient fists combined wicked power talons with twin-linked underbite chain blades. The carnage they could unleash had to be seen to be believed. The entire suit of ancient battleplate, throbbed with the vast power necessary to keep its fixed servo bundles active, and the very air around Shah felt alive with the potency of the supreme predator seated before him. The Red Wake was not alone. The two Red Brethren flanked his throne, their armor heavily inscribed with exile markings. Another two Carcharodons stood slightly to one side, observing Shah's approach. One the Reaper Prime knew well, the chapter's chief librarian, the pale nomad, Te Kahurangi. The other was Kuari, Te Kahurangi's Lexicanium apprentice. Shah halted before the Red Wake's throne and went down on one knee. Ceramite scraping bedrock, he stayed there, head down, until Tyberos spoke. "Rise." The voice that issued from the helm's voice unit was at odds with the figure it belonged to, dry, rasping, dead. It was a voice that sounded as though it issued from an ancient administratum savant or data scribe, bent double and weary with a lifetime's toil. Tyberos the Red Wake served as the Shade Lord of the Carcharodon's chapter during the era Indomitus. Gigantic in form, even for a space marine, this mysterious nightmare of the Adeptus Astartes is a fitting chapter master for such a terrifying band of warriors. Infamous for his involvement during the Badab War against the tyrannical master of the Astral Claws, Luft Huron, during 910.M41, the Carcharodons with the Red Wake at their spear tip emerged from the Golgothan wastes with alarming speed. Ill-regarded by their allies, the Carcharodon Astra regardless acceded to the seniority of Lord Commander Karab Kuln, presenting ancient documents of the Notice's patent as proof of their allegiance to the High Lords of Terra. Aiding the prosecution of the renegade Space Marine chapters, these killers of the Outer Void culled the Mantis Warriors chapter of Astartes with grim efficiency. The claws of Tyberos epitomizing the single most savage engagements fought during the entirety of the grueling war. Always at the forefront of his elite Terminator command squad, the Red Wake's dull grey tactical dreadnought armor proved an ill omen for any who beheld it, for even those allied to his cause bore witness to slaughter which made even venerated Astartes wince with disgust. The hulking mass of layered plasteel reinforcement plates and adamantium rods fitted to his panoply. None know the age of this ancient suit of armor, nor the inhabitant whose body has never been seen outside its protection. The rare occasions where he removes his helmet, never an occasion to celebrate. The corpse-white pallor of bone and flesh is further embellished with depthless black eyes and a lipless grin of bared teeth. Speaking only in soft whispers, alike to his brethren who communicate near silently in battle, Tyberos presides over his fell strike cruiser, the Nicor, as he orchestrates the chapter's campaigns. His infamous power fists, known as Hunger and Slake, derived from an unknown pattern configuration. The underbite chain blades fitted to their construction allows Tyberos to rend the enemies of the Imperium into ribbons as he leads his first company, the Red Brethren, into the fray. Said to have been won by Tyberos in a duel of honor against the renegade Ashen Claws chapter master, Nehat Neve. Their regular trades for recruits and technology are forever soured by Tyberos's bloody work. The power necessary to function his Goliath stature, requiring extensive modifications. Such toil, nonetheless, has proven invaluable, as Tyberos's killing sprees leave naught but mangled corpses in his Red Wake. As at last they reached the end of the shadowed processional in silence, they were confronted by another great fanged iris, this one circled by the skulls of beasts and Xenos forms. It began to flex and scream open at their approach, and all but the dauntless Space Marines and the indefatigable form of Montressa's master could not help but shy warily back. Wet black steam hissed from the opened aperture, and a hulking form materialized from the darkness. A Space Marine in Terminator armor, whose grey livery faded from the umbra of a darkened thunderhead to the deathly pallor of a winter mist. The armor itself unlike anything Montressa had seen, except in faded chronicles of forbidden history. The figure was huge, even for a Space Marine so raimented, and as its armored foot hammered onto the gantry like a bell strike, the fire angels accompanying them fell into battle stance. Coldly focusing on his sworn task, despite the shadow of death he felt looming over him, Montressa logged the image of the Terminator and translated the armorial wording he saw there. The dialect was old, a subtongue of High Gothic he traced to the solar court of the early 33rd millennium. Tyberos, it read, of the Red Wake. Quickly, he signaled this information to his master's Vox implant. Legate Inquisitor Jarndyce Frayne stood before the hulking figure as if daring death to strike him down, and raising high the scepter, touched by the hands of the High Lords of Terror themselves. With sudden and unexpected grace, the massive Terminator slid to his knees before the Black Cossack man, who was but a fraction of his size. Armored gauntlets went to the Terminator's helm, and the fastenings hissed open, amber light dying in the helm's optic lenses. The scarred face that was revealed was sharp-visaged and waxen, deathly white, the eyes as fathomless and pitiless black as the dark between the stars. "Hail the Emperor," the Carcharodon whispered, through rows of ivory